Do you know that 80 to 90% of people gain weight because of their unavoidable binging and unhealthy snacking habit? We are going to discuss about how you can avoid this unhealthy binging and unavoidable snacking habit in your evening time in order to maintain your weight and be fit and healthy. So tip number 1 is to eat right at right time. So when you eat right at particular time and you train your body to do so, you will feel hungry at that particular time only. It is because you have trained your body to understand that that particular time is the time when you eat and you will develop a metabolism for yourself. So eating right at right time helps your body train and gather all the information for when to feel hungry, and this will help you avoid unhealthy binging during the evening time.
It does not mean you have to eat less. You have to eat ample amount as your body requires, but at right time. You just have to plan your eating. And be 3 times a day or 5 times a day, depend on your plan.
Second important tip is to drink lots of water. Now, this is a very common tip, but it's really very important. So most of the time when we are binging is because we are feeling thirsty and not hungry. This is a very common mistake, that we feel like we are feeling for eating or binging on something, but actually at that particular time we are just feeling thirsty. So when you drink lots of water, this unwanted hunger is reduced to minimum and you consume less calories than regular, and as a result you remain fit and healthy.
Putting water reminders really help, and along with that, you need not to always have water. You can have water in form of juices, in form of green tea, in form of shakes, any which way if that keeps you hydrated really helps you avoid that unwanted food cravings and binging habits.
Some of us tend to binge on tea or coffee during 3:50 to 5:50 p.m. in the evening. I've seen it with many people, with my family, with my friends. All of us love tea and coffee. That's okay. But when you get this in form of protein shakes or shape shakes, that will help you replace your carbs with healthy protein. This will help you in turn get a lot of energy in order to work out in the evening and be active at the most productive time of the day.
So we can replace those carbs with protein shaped shakes by Food Strong that I've recently received, and it completely shaped my unwanted binging and unwanted snacking habits during the evening. It's high on protein. It's 27 grams of protein, low carb and low fat. Natural inulin fiber keeps you full for 4 hours. Green coffee extract to boost your metabolism. Turmeric that acts as an anti-inflammatory and reduces swelling and boosts immunity. Made with imported grass-fed whey, which is antibiotic-free and hormone-free. The milk is tested and is antibiotic and hormone-free. It is simple as it is. Comes in a very convenient single-serve sachets. Add a sachet to typical tall glass of water or milk, that's 200 ml. We don't need to worry about how much to take at. That ensures the perfect taste every single time. It's very delicious. As per a leading fitness trainer and a health coach, I can recommend that Food Strong protein shakes are one of the best tasting proteins in the market. I love the taste of the cold coffee shake. Hope you love it too, and you can find the link in my description. Not only me, I recommend each of my family member to have it instead of having this unhealthy junk chips or tea or coffee during this evening time. So yes, go for it.
Tip number 4 is to keep yourself active between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now, this is a new tip and I would highly recommend trying it for yourself because it worked amazingly for me. So, research shows that people tend to binge between 4 to 6 p.m. This is the most likely time when you binge on something unhealthy. So, when you utilize this time in going for an evening walk or an evening workout,
you are less likely to consume anything. So yes, go for an evening walk or a yoga session that will help you release some good hormones from your body. That will in turn reduce stress and hence you will feel less hungry. So yes, stay motivated during this evening session. That will really help you be happy, positive and maintain your weight by maintaining a good caloric deficit at the very same time. Research shows that you eat unwanted things when you have unwanted things. If you restrict yourself of not getting these unwanted things when you go out for shopping, it will automatically restrict your binging habits as well. It is because of your overstocking habits and keeping your fridges full every time you go out for shopping actually gives you easy access to food, and that is to unhealthy food. It's simple, right? When you don't have stuff in your fridge, you won't be able to eat it, because it will take an extra effort for you to go out in market, then get some stuff and then start binging. That is something that we don't do. The usual thing is, when you overstock or keep the food in your fridge, this is when you come to terms when you eat unhealthy during this evening hour. So, yes, it's not about eating less, it's about eating mindfully. You can have snack time in your day, but it's very important to know what to eat at that particular time. If you're binging on something like that you can't control over yourself, like having chips or burgers or french fries that you can't control, and you go out of proportion, then what comes is unhealthy binging. Binging is not mindful, and you have to be mindful while you're eating. Have fruits, have protein shakes, have shape shakes, have all of these good stuff, and that will really help you in maintaining your weight and be fit and healthy throughout the year. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you will find it useful. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy.